YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Chino. We're back again for another video. Hold on, let me turn this down real quick. Sorry, I'm just watching my dream YouTube video. Literally a bunch of GT3 RSs just cruising down the highway. But anyways, starting it off again a little bit late at night. It's almost 8:30 p.m. But one of the homies hit me up, asked me if I want to go out, hit the city. I think it's gonna be me, him, and then his other boy, drives a 260. So, no, Siri, I was not talking to you. But anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna head out, and I'll see y'all when we get to his crib. So I link up with his other boy.
What did he say?
And we gonna take over the city. It's like, nah, I'm just gonna hit the city. Always gotta let the car warm up. Don't you ever leave the car with a high idle. Alright, y'all, we just made it downtown. Linked up with the boys. I think we about to get some food. I think. I don't know what's going on. He's checking his tires. Is that the homie? I don't know if that's the homie here next, like across the street over there or not. What happened? What happened?
I think I curved up one of my wheels. Well, the wheel was already curved, so we're chilling.
Oh.
But
Oh, the spot's here? Oh.
We're in a tow zone, but like, I think it's after a certain time. But we should be chilling. We're not gonna be long.
Yeah.
I always park here, so you're chilling.
I bet.
Oh, it's over. The checks are around.
Yeah, this is gonna be the fastest like mukbang session ever.
Bro, I'm steaming, bro.
Yeah, this dude thought I was a crackhead. I actually want to prep, but no, carbon. No one. Good duck though, but whatever.
Yeah, I was literally telling him this is probably gonna be the fastest mukbang ever.
Dude, that's crazy.
30 seconds is crazy.
The fact he responded to is also crazy.
I know.
Did you tell Chino about that?
Yeah, he didn't know who he was.
Neither did I.
Okay.
I'm not
glad to know I'm not the only one.
Well, I mean, we're also not trying to put negative 30 camera boost on our fucking car.
You're right.
Matt, you know who Tay Wavy was? Who? Tay Wavy?
He doesn't watch YouTube, but
oh, yeah,
watch
that's
TV.
Right. That's right. This dude goes to bed at 9. Yeah.
That's his bedtime, bro.
And y'all call me Unc.
You are, bro.
No, because he's a dad, bro. That's dad.
Bro, look at him. Look at his outfit. He looks like a whole dad.
Wearing my dad's sweatshirt Christmas gift, bro. Wait, that's what you're giving him for Christmas? Oh.
Yeah, bro. He took the tag off and everything.
Smell like beans on it. He's gonna be like, does it smell like that? He'd be like, I don't know. It must be the store.
Oh,
did you get soda? You're a bad boy.
Doc's not gonna
good
like
boy.
What?
He's a good boy.
I'm supposed to eat this crunchy ass shit.
We weren't supposed to drink out of a straw either, but you did that too.
I'm supposed to put a lid on our cups too, but.
Okay. He did let off, but I don't think he was actually going to.
Alright, yo. I'm getting embarrassed out here, I'm not gonna lie. But, yeah, I just got embarrassed. Yeah. We're not gonna talk about that. It's okay. It's okay. That's how I learn, right? So, I definitely gotta. I don't know what I want to do. Let me know, chat. Comment down below. What should I do? Should I keep building the Subie or just wave the white flag, throw in the towel, and get something different? Let me know. I don't know. Yeah, cause yeah.
Hop in, bro. Hop in. This shit is crazy.
Wait, is there room?
What?
No, bro. Wait till you be in that car.
Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. This shit is fucking crazy.
Is he getting in?
No.
No.
He's waiting. He's too scared after what just fucking happened.
Should cool down after this one.
Does it still bug out or not with the stage 2? So definitely this is the tune.
Yeah.
Launch that shit. Fucking hold on, Sheena. That shit is crazy.
Yo, that definitely throws you in the back of the seat.
Dude, got the cops. I don't understand why there's no cops here tonight. Like the empty cop cars, they get booted out. Will you bang it off limiter?
Just one more time, bro.
Off limiter and a fucking twin turbo is crazy. That shit is crazy, bro. That shit is so crazy. That shit crazy.
Nah, that was wild.
Low outside temperature. Shit
Well, I thought he was
stinks.
gonna lose against the Beamer.
I did too.
Yeah.
Maybe if he was on E.
Yeah.
How was the experience?
Ooh! Yo! That felt like I was in a roller coaster.
Bro, that was better from last
Oh,
time I said it. That shit go. That shit
Yeah.
go. Dude,
Nah, that's clean.
Stage 2.
That is clean. That is
You might
insane.
trade it.
No.
This shirt daily, right?
Yeah. I was already just telling them, like, asking them, like, if I should just keep building with it or if I should just
You see this dude,
wave the towel,
this kid,
just get a whole new platform.
this dude's a random smart, but he's like
There you go.
I made it to third.
There you go.
Let's go.
Hey, you changed
Yes,
it.
sir.
Mission
Yes,
accomplished.
sir.
That shit. Damn. Bro, I need a manual one.
You do need to hit you.
Yeah, they're fun, man. They're definitely fun.
Get yourself a Civic.
Alright, Joe. So we eating again. All in our trunks.
That bitch did all her makeup and everything just to come work a shift at 1 a.m. This shit is wild.
Who? Oh, Shorty at the yeah.
I was like, because I didn't want to spray, but I was like, I want to shake. She was like, no shakes. I was like, no shake.
They had smoothies though.
She was like, no shake, shake them titties.
Ah.
You look crazy eating that way.
I don't give a Go, man. No, man. It's like, nah, let me stop.